A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Senior KG, subject Maths. So students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Good. So the previous video we have learned the number names, that is 67 and 68. So today what we will learn? Today we will learn number names, that is 60, 69 and 70, 70. Okay? So now take out your pencil and eraser. Come on, take out your pencil and eraser. Now you have to repeat with me, okay? आपको क्या करना है? मेरे साथ repeat करना है. Now tell me what number is this? 6. ये कौन सा number है? 6. This is 9. Okay, 6, 9 is 69. Now what is the spelling of 69? Spell out the spelling with me. S I X T Y 60. Very good. Now what is the spelling of 9? 9 के क्या spelling होता है? N I N E 9. Very good. Again repeat with me. 6 9 69. Spell out the spelling. S I X T Y. Very good. This is the spelling of 60. Now spelling of 9 is N I N E 9. Very good. Again repeat with me. 6 9 69. Very good. Repeat with me. S I X T Y 60 N I N E 9. Very good. 69. Repeat again with me. 6 9 69. Spell out the spelling. S I X T Y 60. Very good. Now spell out the spelling of 9. N I N E 9 69. Very good. Now after 69 comes 7 0 70. Very good. Now 70. What's the spelling of 70? 70 का क्या spelling होता है? S E V E N T Y 70. Very good. Again repeat. 70. Spell out the spelling of 70. S E V E N T Y 70. Again 7 0 70. S E V E N T Y 70. Okay, again repeat. 70. What's the spelling of 70, students? Tell me. Repeat with me. S E V E N T Y 70. Very good. So today we have learned the number names of 69 and 70. Okay, now spell out the spelling with me. 69. S I X T Y 60. N I N E 9 69. Now this is 70. What the spelling of 70? S E V E N T Y 70. Again repeat. S E V E N T Y 70. Very good. Repeat again. 70. S E V E N T Y 70. Okay. Now in your homework, what you have to do, you have to learn and practice the number names of 69 and 70. Okay, you have to spell out the spelling, and also in a written work you have to write in one page. After that you have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, होमवर्क में आपको नंबर नेम्स 69 एंड 70 लर्न करना है और आपको वन पेज में ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आपको क्या करना है, पिक्चर क्लिक करके स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपको उसमें सेंड करना है. ओके, यू गॉट इट. सो टिल देन डू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. टेक केयर एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे. थैंक यू.